Hello everyone, welcome to our exclusive behind-the-scene visit to the XTOOL facility. As a leading role in the vehicle diagnostic tool brand, XTOOL combines state-of-the-art engineering, manufacturing, and relentless research and development efforts, also with extreme quality controls. XTOOL empowers mechanics and enthusiasts with direct, efficient, and user-friendly solutions worldwide. Join us to unveil all the secrets behind all those marvelous products. Let's go.
Hello guys, so we've come to the production line today, and this procedure is for the PCBA performance test. And as we can see, every PCBA will not exit the workshop until it's tested successfully. As we can see in the screen, a green success in Chinese means it's okay and qualified, certified. This is the housing assembly process of the well-known product A30M. And as we can see, the PCBA must be precisely installed into the plastic housing. All the indicators, the OBD port cannot be matching, and they will fail the next quality check process because there will be no data read from this product. And to ensure the tightness, we will use a small hammer to slightly tighten them up. No worries, it won't hurt the product. It's a normal process. This procedure is for the installation of the electronic conductive foam and conductive cloth. The battery is also installed here. Let's take a closer look. As we can see, the battery is inserted to its port tightly. There will also be a light powering test to make sure it's working normally. And this is the conductive cloth. It will help to remove the negative effects of the static. Without the static proof process, it may be easily damaged by static any time in the future. Nobody wants to see that. This procedure is to test if there is any electronic leaking, and the light conductive plastic component will also be installed here. Let's take a closer look. Now we are plugging the testing equipment with this port. And then we'll use the scanner to scan the serial number. If there is no electricity leaking, there will be a pass prompt showing in the computer screen.